Hello guys, this is Augusta from Ilobyte, and today we're going to be learning how to impute our transactions. Under transactions, you have purchase and expenses, sales and income, inventory management, and others. So we're going to start with purchases and expenses. If you click on this, you see there are many subtopics here: purchase order, purchases, pay bills, and all that. So we're going to start first with purchase order. So to create a purchase order, you click on new purchase order. This is okay, you want to actually buy something, maybe from your vendor, but you want to place an order, you want to stand in line and wait for it. So you select your branch. My branch is Jola Kitchen Store. Which vendor am I buying from? I have Jumoke Blender and Mimido Air Fryer. I'm going to click on Mimido Air Fryer. Now, this purchase order number, you can just leave it there. Then you pick the delivery date, the day you want that thing you want to purchase to be delivered to you. So I'm going to click on 8th of February. Discount method, I will just say you should leave here the way it is because I'm not really the vendor. I don't know what discounts they want to give me. So I will just leave here the way it is, discount method the way it is. Then status pending. I have not issued this order yet. Now enter item description or code. You put in the description of your item. If you don't already know the item, let's say you don't have the item or code of heart, you can just go to, okay, I don't want to leave this page because everything will disappear, but I know my item of heart. You can just go to records and look for where you put in your items and click on manage items. You will see all the items you have and all the codes of your items. So I'm going to try and put in the item description code. That will be STK. Okay, so I want to pick air fryer 146. This is my item, air fryer, and voila, this is the price. Everything is showing because it's already listed in the records. This is my grand total. I'm going to click on save, and I have done the purchase order. Now if I want to see what I have done, I can now go to manage purchase orders. If I click on this, I'm going to see all the orders that I have made before. So this is just how to create a purchase order on Ilobyte, and I will see you in the next video.